See, we used the jack, and the jack has got a swivel at the top. So here, I'll get you close in on the jack. You might want to see how this works. So this is the kind of thing when you're installing the bridge, you just got to get creative. And so here we are getting creative. We got a floor jack under there, right? And it's rotating. The entire 72 feet of bridge is rotating from the center on a floor jack. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is the bridge was too long and it blocks the road over there. So let me get a shot for you guys to see how much room. How much did we move it, a foot already or more than a foot?
Probably about a foot and a half.
Okay, so we've already moved it away from the wall a foot and a half. So now we're gonna back out here. Unfortunately, there's only two of us. And I didn't bring a tripod that's handy. So I'm gonna go ahead and move it, and I'm gonna try to slide this end over this way while he rotates that end that way. The entire bridge is suspended from the middle, which is fine. That's, you know, if you can suspend it from the ends, you can suspend it from the middle, right? So here we go. All right. So Tyson's saying now we can actually drive the ATV through there, which is good.